Practicing Kung Fu is a good habit. Practicing Kung Fu keeps the body is healthy as well as the mind is cheerfully too. You can also practice Kung Fu alone at your home. So today I will show how to practice Kung Fu in your own in a secluded place. Hello everyone, welcome to my Mong Kung Fu tutorial channels. I am coming with a new videos only for tutorial. Many have commented that making for a weaponless video. So today I will coming with a weaponless video. This video is only for tutorial. Now I am going to learn how to fight without any weapon. Okay, let's go. Learning for Kung Fu. Hello. Ready for fight. Lock, hit. Now, back swipe kick. Kick, lock. Lock again. And kick, double kick, lock. Swipe kick, double kick. And lock your face. And kick, double kick. Stand with alert for fight. Now, block. Block again and face block. Now kick, hit. Okay, I will show again. Stand positions, ready for fight. Block and hit. Now back swipe kick. Kick, block. Block again and kick, double kick and block. And swipe kick, block again and block. Your face and kick, hit, double kick. Stand with alert for fight. Now block and block again your face and kick, hit.